Okay, this is a completely different car. This is I have a 2007 Toyota Sienna. I just bought this car a few weeks ago from a coworker. She had owned it for several years, but she got in a wreck, smashed out the bumper, broke out the headlight, damaged some stuff. But she'd been driving it, but she always tried to maintain it pretty good. She always took it to her local shop, had the oil change and all that stuff. But I replaced the bumper and the headlight and fender for inside fender well, not the fender, like $240. But like I said, it was pretty dirty. Cleaned it up. You can see where it did a little damage to it, but no big deal. Daughter's getting this car. Her car gave out, so I think I paid $500 for the car. It's pretty dirty. She had dogs. Her dogs lived in it. Not lived in it, but she had dogs, so I had a dog here, cleaned that out. Got this all back together, put it back, changed the oil, and she took it to a local shop, and she was always talking about she had every 3,000 to 5,000 miles she'd get the oil change. 3,000 to 5,000 miles, she's always getting oil change. So I decided to change the oil, and it's got one of the cartridge filters. So I just got it and changed the oil. It's a 6.5 quarts, and I just drained it. This is after I drove it. This is a 5 quart. There's like 2.5 quarts of oil in here that I drained out of the car. 2.5 quarts. That was it. So that's not good. But then the real kicker is this. Look how dirty that oil is. And she said she had this done at a local shop in her town, small town. That oil looks ancient. And here is the filter. This thing, I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to be hard as a rock. The other one was soft and pliable. I'm sure everybody's seen those before. Pliable. This thing is like a rock hard. Ignore the dog here. I have dogs. But anyway, just because they're saying they're changing oil, I don't think they always are. But that is the nastiest looking oil filter I've ever seen out of a car. But I always change my own oil. But one, that low on oil. In this car, I didn't notice any leaks. So I'm not sure if she ever checked the oil. I'd say about 3 quarts is all is in there, and but that's pretty bad. So just because you're getting an oil change somewhere, maybe rotate oil shops once in a while unless you really know them, because I'm pretty sure that is not 3,000, 5,000 mile oil in this car. But anyway, just a little update. Different little car. It's gonna be gone tomorrow. So, and I just sold my Jeep. The old Jeep, it's going bye-bye. A guy bought it. Well, not bought it. He's supposed to be here tomorrow. Driving up to pick it up, trailer it back. And like I said, I had the engine put in it, bad engine. So the old Jeep Cherokee will be gone this time tomorrow, I assume. We'll find out if he actually shows up. You know how that goes. So anyway, hope everybody has a good day. Thanks for watching.